Hi guys, welcome to our JWell factory and headquarters in Changzhou. Although JWell was founded in 1997, we have been in the screw and barrel field since 1978. In 2013, the JWell Changzhou factory was founded for prompt after-sales response to our customers from central China. Our best-selling products are our PP melt-blown fabric line. For more information, go to our website www.polynk.com. Hi there, hope all is well. So let's crack on with today's overview of the melt-blown mold. So the melt-blown mold consists of two parts, the left box and the right box. The spinneret has a combined type and a split type. The left and right wind cover of the hot air are sloped. There is an adjustable gap between this slope and the slope of the spinneret. This enables the flow and uniformity of wind to be guaranteed. The discharge methods of the mold has two types of spraying methods, vertical and horizontal. The melt-blown mold and the spinneret are the core of the whole line. There are about 1,500 nozzle holes per meter on the spinneret. According to the distance between the holes, the number of holes will also vary. So the size of the hole diameter is generally about 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters, and its hole distance is 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters. The inner surface of the hole needs to be polished. There are hot air nozzles on both sides of the spinneret, which are 60 degrees from the spinneret. There is a gap which is 0.8 to 1 millimeters between the slope of the hot air box plate and on both sides of the slope of the spinneret. The surface of wind cover plate is located at a suitable distance from the nozzle of our spinneret, usually 1 millimeter. There are two types of melt-blown molds. One is simple type, which has a straight flow structure. This kind of mold is for fabrics whose width is below 600 millimeters. Another one has a T-type structure, which is a vertical spraying mold for fabrics with a width above 800 millimeters. So the next video will be showing you the different types of web forming collector and which factors need to be paid attention to. I'll see you next time.